Welcome to Michael Bates Chevrolet, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with
navigation, parking sensors,
hands-free liftgate,
side blind zone alert, rain-sensitive windshield wipers,
leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away,
lane departure warning system,
Apple CarPlay and Android Auto,
universal garage door opener,
rear park assist,
and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer.
Michael Bates Chevrolet is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff that works as a team to make sure that our guests are taken care of from start to finish. So come see us today and find out why so many happy drivers choose Michael Bates Chevrolet. You'll be glad you did.